Hi, I'm Colin Anise, and this is how you use your cup of golden milk as a self-care ritual. I am a movement and wellness leader, a performing artist, a model, a meditation instructor. I'm also a wife and a mom of 2 little ones. And on top of all of that, I commute into New York City for work. So that's a lot of busyness. So it's really important that I find time in my day to just nourish myself so that I can show up as my best self. Creating a time for ritual in my day has been my favorite way to stay connected to myself and not get carried away in all of the busyness. Ritual is just another word for a habitual series of actions, anything that's done regularly, and the aim is not perfection. My daily rituals help me to drop into the same feeling that I get after a nice yoga class. So grounded, calm, centered, yet expansive. Having a cup of golden milk as a self-care ritual is just one way that I look after me. Banyan Botanicals just created Turmeric Milk Mix that is so amazing and really supportive for the body. It's just like the golden milk that you'd order at a cafe, but it has Ayurvedic herbs that make it helpful for a yogi like me. It wouldn't be golden milk without turmeric. Turmeric can make joint movement more comfortable and supports the immune and circulatory systems. There's also ashwagandha, which is an incredibly rejuvenating adaptogen that can be calming for the nervous system. It's spiced with peppermint, ginger, and cardamom, which assist with digestion, and cinnamon and black pepper to balance the flavors. I'm going to share with you 3 ways that I use a warm cup of golden milk as a self-care ritual, and how you can make a delicious cup wherever you are every time. Slowing down can bring a return to balance. Taking time for myself in the morning creates an energetic home base that I can remember throughout the day. Like, remember what it felt like this morning when I was feeling calm and collected before all the crazy stuff started happening? So I use turmeric milk mix to make my cup and take about 10 minutes or so to just sit here on the couch and just be still. The 3 o'clock slump can be rough because I've been going since 5:30 a.m. I would have just picked up my kids from school and I still have to get home, cook dinner, prep for the next day, and finish out any loose ends on my to-do list. So turmeric milk mix is a great pick-me-up that's unlike coffee or sugar because it's nourishing rather than depleting. The ashwagandha gives me a calm energy to just keep going. The day is done, the kids are in bed, and my to-do list is complete. And now it's really my time to relax. A cup of golden milk at bedtime is especially comforting because the warm milk supports a restful, restorative sleep. By the time I take my last sip, my eyelids are falling and I sleep like a rock. You'll need Banyan's turmeric milk mix and 8 ounces of a milk of your choice. A note on milk and milk alternatives. In the Ayurvedic tradition, milk is a sattvic food, meaning that it promotes balance and harmony. However, every individual is unique, and while the qualities of alternative milks may differ from cow's milk, they are absolutely appropriate as a substitute. Golden milk is just as delicious and equally beneficial made from the milk of your choice. A nut milk, a coconut milk, or even a oat or hemp milk. I personally like rice milk, but you get to experiment and find out which one you prefer. In a small pot, combine 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric milk mix with 8 ounces of your preferred milk. Stir it up to combine and heat it gently on a low to medium heat. When it gets to the temp you like, pour directly into your cup. There's already a touch of date sugar as a sweetener, but if you'd like more, a little honey or maple syrup are great options. Experiment with adding other herbs you know are supportive for you. Extra cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, or even some shatavari to further support your immune system. If you're feeling extra fancy, those little home frothers can take this to the next level. You can find me at Palinanise on Instagram. And if you're in the New York City area and looking for a yoga class, please be sure to stop by. You can also check out some of my yoga retreats. And if you're looking for more Ayurvedic lifestyle videos, subscribe here to the Banyan Botanicals channel. Be sure to like this video, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.